Hey guys, J-Man5 here, and I'll be doing parkour at this Buckley Skate Park. So basically, I have 3 other friends with me. I have Skylar, I have my sister, which not friend, sister.
Camera guy!
Partial camera guy.
Yeah,
Matthew.
Sometimes.
Okay, so basically we have a simple course. We're going to slide down this. We're going to somehow get over that, whatever of our choice. That ramp, the far ramp, right across from us.
Yeah, that one right there.
We have to quickly jump up and turn around, slide down however you want to do it.
There,
and then run, and then to this ramp right there, you gotta
go up and
get up there.
You have to touch the pole, and when you touch the pole, your time is done. So it's here.
First with the fastest time wins.
You start here, down, up, run across that. Yeah, and you get the point.
Okay.
And so I will be going first, and I'm gonna hand it off to.
Okay, I'm gonna go hand it off.
Go down and give it off to the camera guy.
I'm gonna go hand it off to our cameraman.
Okay. Here you go, Dad. Make sure. And so we're gonna start. I'm gonna start off. Here we go. Ready? And you're gonna count. Okay. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. What was it? 32 seconds. 32? Awesome. Good. And we're going to the next. Okay, let's go. On one more time. Okay, so
3, 2, 1, go!
Seconds. 30 seconds. Remember your times. Remember your times. Dang it.
3, 2, 1, go!
Woo. You guys tied. 3 times. And then last one. 3, 2, 1, go! Seconds. 33. Oh, really good. So these two have tied. What are we gonna do? Sudden death.
Sunday. Yep.
Sudden death.